Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Life in Law. In this particular video, I am going to discuss the constitutional provisions of President's rules in India. Before getting into the video, if you are new in this channel, then subscribe my channel for more new informative videos and more new updates. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to understand what is President's rules means. So President's rules simply means an emergency provisions which can be proclaimed due to failure of constitutional machinery in the state. So in Article 356 of the Constitution, this provision is included. Article 355 of the Constitution imposes a duty on center to ensure that the government of every state is carried on in accordance with the constitutional provisions. The President's rules is also known as state emergency or constitutional emergency. So now we have to understand the grounds of constitutional emergency. So the President can proclaim the constitutional emergency in any state of India on the basis of two grounds. First one is Article 356 empowers the President to proclaim a state emergency if he satisfies that the state machinery cannot be carried on in accordance with the constitutional provisions. Even he can proclaim the emergency on the basis of the report of the governance of that particular state. And the second ground is Article 365 says that whenever a state fails to give effect to any direction from the center, then it will empower the President to hold that a situation has arises in the particular state in which the government of that particular state cannot be carried on in accordance with the constitutional provisions. On the basis of these two grounds, the Indian President can declare the state emergency in any state of India. But this proclamation must be approved by the both houses of the parliament within 2 months of its issue. Here one point is important, that if the proclamation is made at a time when the Lok Sabha is dissolved, then the proclamation survives until 30 days from the first sitting of the Lok Sabha after reconstruction. After approval, the President's rules continues for 6 months. The emergency proclamation can be continued to a maximum period of 3 years with the approval of Parliament in every 6 months. But here the another landmark was added by the 44th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1978. This Amendment Act says that the President's rule can be extended by 6 months at a time when two conditions are fulfilled. So first one is when the national emergency is operational in India, and the second one is the Election Commission must certify that the general election of the particular state assembly cannot be held due to such difficulties or due to such constitutional failures. So thank you for watching this video. Share this video with your friends.